Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. In today's video, I will do Supermachine Art review. This tool became available about 9 months ago on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. At the moment, they are not available, but anyway, I will leave the link to the tool and to the deal in the description. Maybe they will come back and you will be lucky to get this deal. Quickly about the regular pricing, they have two plans. For $10 a month, you have 1000 image credits. Please give this video a like and subscribe to help to spread the word. And now, let's jump into the review itself. What I like about this tool is that after they launched their product about 9 months ago, they did several iterations of upgrades for their product, and they introduced one of my favorite features, a lot of custom models. Here on the main screen, these are not generated images, but the custom models that are available on their platform, which are tailored to a specific task. Yes, there are general purpose models, but at the same time, they are very specific. Like if you need to generate anime characters, there is one. If you need to get Colorbooks, there is model for that. There is one specifically dedicated to comic character generation. There are a lot, and later in this video, I will show you how you can test and see which model will suit your use case better. Again, when these and other similar tools appeared not so long ago, there were just few models available, like Supermachine Art started with Stable Diffusion, then they upgraded to Stable Diffusion 1.5, then they introduced Stable Diffusion 2.1, and later they started adding their models. At the moment, they are adding one custom model a week. And as of this review, they have 56 different models. They even have one to generate LinkedIn portraits. I think that's cool. And let's actually test one of the models. You can click a model and see examples of the images that it can provide. You can request more information and more images. In this case, let's check this image. We can see what kind of prompt was used to generate this image. And what's nice is that you can clone this generation. This will bring us into the main generation flow with pre-populated prompt. We can check advanced settings and see that negative prompt was also pre-populated. Let's generate 4 images at once. It took about 30 seconds to generate 4 images. Let's check the original one. Here it is. And I think we have a great looking images which are similar to original. Those are consistent with the prompt, but provide very good variations. So that was an example how you can replicate images from a model that you liked. Let's move to another example how you can use this tool. Let's say you would like to generate a game character. You can go to sites like Lexica Art and search what you need to get some inspiration, get a prompt, and put it into Supermachine Art. In my case, previously I found the prompt that I needed and generated some game characters like this one, Rabbit as a Dark Soul boss. I've got some variations of this character. Okay, so that was another use case, how you can use this tool. Instead of going out of the tool, you can search for inspirations for images at the search section. And you can find something that you like and then copy the prompt. Let's do another live test of 2 models. I would like to see how Supermachine Colorbook and coloring book style work. To test that, I found this image on Lexica.art. Let's copy the prompt. There are some image variations. I like this one the most. Let's paste the prompt and let's choose this model. Let's go to Advanced Settings and choose to generate 4 images. Let's go. Okay, not bad. We can see with which model we generated those images. In this case, Supermachine Colorbook. And I would like to test the same prompt with other model. Let's view all models and check coloring book style and generate 4 images as well. Alright, we've got our result from another model. I think I like this one the most. Okay, so that concludes another use case, how you can use this tool. You may find an image that you like, copy prompt, choose appropriate model, and then generate a lot of variations of your image and use that anywhere you like. Also, I would like to give you another example how choosing different models may influence your output. In this case, the prompt was Ronin Iguana entering a cyberpunk saloon. Here you can see that first 4 images above were generated with anime Supermachine model, and below images were generated with Supermachine comic model. So you can have different flavors of the same prompt. Regarding settings of the tool, I like that this one provides a good balance between simplicity and advanced settings. You can just put your prompt and go generate and you will be fine. You can choose some generic model like Supermachine Plus and start generating your images without being intimidated by a lot of unknown settings. And if we open advanced settings, everything here is pretty straightforward. We have negative prompts, we can generate different aspect ratio, different image size, and Supermachine will show you how many credits you will spend. For example, we can increase image size and we see that image credits spent will increase as well. We can save images into our albums. You can also play with settings like prompt guidance. In this case, how close to the prompt images should be. Changing these settings doesn't affect the credits that you will spend. And regarding steps, you can always start with 20 steps. In the majority of the cases, it will give you the images that you need. And you don't need to increase the steps. If you increase those, you will spend a bit more on credits. And again, in most cases, just leave it 20 and you will be completely fine. Regarding this setting, without digging deeper into this, you can choose between 2. I watched a video from a creator of this tool, and the creator suggests to use either this one, Euler A, because it provides the speed and quality that most of the people need, or you can use this one, DPM++2M. Again, this is a recommendation from the creator of this tool that these 2 samplers should work fine, and this setting is not affecting the credits that you spend. Just for the simplicity, leave this setting as Euler A, and you will be completely fine. Okay, let's check another use case, how you can use this tool to tailor it to your needs. For example, let's say your business is to generate images for t-shirts, to make t-shirt designs, or generate designs for printables, which you can sell on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. And imagine you have an idea of a t-shirt design of a steampunk dog in boots sitting on a Vespa moped, and the dog should wear sunglasses. So let's imagine I would like to get this kind of the design, and I would like to find out which model will work best for me. So in this case, I came up with the prompt, and then I generated several images with the same prompt with all of the models which were available at that time. So then, after I generated a lot of images with different models, I generated 4 images per model. Now I can see through the results and see which images will suit most for my use case. I wanted a steampunk dog wearing boots and sunglasses riding a Vespa motorbike. So let's see the results. The first one was nice. Let's see more. Comic. It's not working well for my use case. I liked this one. Fine, but not like a steampunk dog. Moving next. These are better. Oh, that's one actually nice. So for design, I think this one is great. So the model is cyber realistic. What else we've got generated? A lot of models will not work for a t-shirt design. This one is fine as well. I think this one will work fine for a t-shirt design. What other models we have? These ones looks nice, and I think this one is the best one. So this model gives a good variation of what I need. So this image actually is great. So with every image, you can upscale it. And here it is, upscaled image. That looks fantastic. So once you found the model that works best for your use case, you can actually generate more variations. I have cloned my prompt, so it uses the same settings, and let's generate few more variations on the same image. And yep, we've got good variation in the same style. That's nice. Alright, so that concludes my review and demo of Supermachine Art. This tool provides very unique feature, a lot of custom models. In my opinion, there will be more and more tools and models which are much better at a very specific task, because people have very different use cases. Who would ever thought that there is a use case to generate LinkedIn portraits? And maybe you're in a heavy need for such model. So with this tool, you can have it. So if you like this tool and would like to explore it, please check the link in the description. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.